Mm, yeah, this wavelet compression. Okay, when you are using wavelet compression, a compression for a compression of an image, when I'm using it, okay, let us take the enter an image. I'll use the image as again cameraman dot this. Okay, and they've asked for the decomposition level. Okay, I'll just now do with the compression level of 2. Okay, and then type of wavelet. Okay, wavelet transform has got different type of like wavelet transform built-in functions are available. You can use Haar wavelet, the Bezier wavelet with types. Okay, let me choose Haar here. I'll mention inside code, and the code is in such manner. Okay, so it's giving you the compression ratio. This is all the things which I've done in the code. It gives you the type of image, how much it's compressed, what is the compression ratio, what's the maximum value, offset, everything is all given in. And the compression ratio is of 84%. Okay, so let's see how much it's compressed on. Okay, so this is the original image. After I have compressed the image, okay, it is with 84% compression. And for this compressed image, from the compressed image, I'm reconstructing the image. Okay, you could really appreciate that it is not originally equivalent to that of your original image, but still, no much information is lost. Okay, it's again lossy compression technique, but still the image hasn't lost more vital information. Okay, so if I'm going to execute the same code with more decomposition levels. Okay, let's go with the same cameraman, but in the decomposition level, if I'm using 4, okay, 4 means I've just told you about first level of decomposition. Now imagine I'm going on 4th level decomposition, and I'll use again the same Haar wavelet transform. Observe the quantity of the image. I'm getting actually the compression ratio. Where's the compression ratio? The compression ratio is 98%. Yeah, I've compressed the image to a greater level. But what's happening to the quality of the image? It's very bad. So you'll have to make a trade-off. You want more compression ratio. You want the image to be compressed more. Then you have to make a compromise with the quality of the image. Okay. So accordingly, it just goes on. Like you need to make a trade-off with it. Okay. So just touched upon some component. I've skipped on a lot of things I thought of doing with some steganography, other information. I think it's time Srilja ma'am has got even some more data to be dealt with. If time permits, I'll join tomorrow, and if we have time, we'll go with the other code. I think it's all done. I think